Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Indira here. So today I'm going to be doing like an unboxing or a haul sort of a video, and it will be from a website called Beauty Talk. If you don't know already, Beauty Talk is an Indian website with all the leading Korean skincare products. When I started off with skincare routine, I was actually into a lot of Korean skincare, and I discovered this website and I got a lot exposed to a lot of skincare brands, Korean skincare brands specifically. And I started off following a religious routine, and that is when I realized that it has done so much good to my skin. I'm not even kidding. This is not a sponsored video. It has done a lot of good things to my skin, and I am completely in love with the Korean skincare brands and their products. And I remember using its skin products from their website first, and I fell in love completely, especially their serums and their face washes. They're just amazing. So without any further ado, I'll be showing you what all I got from Beauty Talk India website. So I basically got products from 3 different Korean skincare brands from the Beauty Talk website, and the first brand I got it from was It's Skin, obviously. So I got 2 of their serums. Like, the first one is their VB Effector Power 10 serum. Now, VB stands for vitamin B, so this is a vitamin B serum. This is specifically for oily, acne prone skin, and it tends to keep a check on the oils and the acne production, the pimples production on your face. So I got it for myself because I need this. So next one that I got is the Q10 Effector Power 10 serum. Now this is again a product that works amazingly on all skin types, and the best thing that I noticed about these serums was they are very watery kind of a consistency. They don't tend to make your skin very oily or feel like you're applying something oily on your face. They are really light on the skin and works like effectively. So I got this one, which really works good for your dark spots, lighten the dark spots and the pimple spots, acne spots on your skin. So I am super excited to try this out. The last product from It's Skin that I got is this VB Effector Cleansing Foam. Now I've tried and completely, finished the first tube of this one, and I fell in love. It is not only just a face wash, but it also helps you to remove those extra makeup residual on your face, and that is exactly what I need. So this works amazingly. And like I've mentioned before, I think its texture is kind of a jelly texture. As you can see, it's not like a usual face wash that we use. You need to work a little with this, but I think that is worth the wait because the amount of experience that it gives is just amazing. The results are amazing. The next product that I got is from the brand called Juice to Cleanse. Now this is a brand that I'm like exploring for the very first time, and I'm super excited to do so. And I chose this particular product, which is actually a cleansing balm. It is actually a makeup removing balm, and it comes in this huge tube, and I have not digged in yet. It smells really nice, and it has like a really nice resemblance of papaya in it. And it also comes in with a spatula. Let me just show you. It comes in with a spatula like this, which makes it easier for you to scoop out the product. So yeah, this is something I'm really excited to try out. Then I got a very interesting product from a brand called Suntique. This brand is a Korean skincare brand, as you know, but this brand is specifically made for, sunscreens, which is amazing. And this particular product is a sunscreen stick. Now, how cool is that? Let me just show you. So this comes in this really nice stick format, and it says in the packaging that it is a BB Sunstick, which I think it might be because of the color of this a particular sunscreen because it kind of gives you a tint when you use it on your face. I've tried it, I've used it twice, so I really like the texture. It is not greasy or oily. It can be used on any skin type, and the best part is that it comes with a mirror. How cool is that? Like, need to use it like a mirror whenever you're there. You just like, and you're done. And I think it's really amazing, and it also gives you a primer effect, and does really good things to your sebum production. It helps you control the sebum production, which is again is a great thing. So yeah, this was the last product that I got. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys to go check out Beauty Talk India's website, and also I've linked all of the products in the description box, so do not forget to check that out, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.